This is my trailer I just bought off of Facebook Marketplace for 600 bucks. It's a home built, so it's got kind of weird stuff like this and this, that wiring, some partial hinges right here. But the good thing is the fenders are solid with a nice step. It's got good tires on it. So first up, let's just take the sides and the floor off. And now, it's got those flathead screws that you gotta do from the bottom. I think I might be able to just tip the whole thing over. Now we can lower it back down, or drop it, is really what I'm gonna do. Mildly sketch. Started rolling away, but it's fine. Alright, so my phone overheated, but I took all the chains, the jack, and all the blinkers and all the old wiring out. So now I'm just gonna go over and grind all the rust off, and then we can paint it. So now that everything is grinded, smooth, and rust-free, we should be ready to paint. So I'm gonna do 2 coats. The first one I'll film, the second one I won't. So the paint's on and dry, going straight to the wiring. Just bought a cheap set off of Amazon. And those are done. Okay, so the running lights are working good. We're gonna try everything else. Well, now it's time to deck the trailer that all the lights work, and all this wood right here, this is all old wood that I got from that previous trailer, the one that was 20 feet long. This was under the previous deck. Then I went to Lowe's and got 2 2x4s and 3 of whatever these guys are, 1x1s I guess. Plus some self-tapping screws because you guys get on me for not doing those. Okay, let's see if these self-tapping screws are everything y'all say they are. Definitely not tapping through metal. So I'm gonna have to drill through, I guess. So basically those screws didn't work at all. So I just did what I did with the other trailer and just bolted some boards right into that. So now we can just screw directly in the deck. Okay, there we go. And just like that, the trailer is all the way finished up. It's just been sitting here. It's just been sitting here for a little bit. I listed it for $1,250, dropped it down to $2,000 because it sat for a month. And it's just not trailer season. It's winter, as you can see. And I don't think people are looking for trailers right before Christmas. Someone messaged me and they're gonna come by and take a look here in about 8 minutes. There we go. Trailer sold and all gone. Sold it for $850, which is less than I wanted. If it was summertime, I probably could have gotten that $1,250 for it, but he was a really nice guy and he's going down to Florida with it, so we'll let him have that one.